Hey there! Are you looking to amplify your message and engage your audience on a whole new level? Well, you've come to the right place. Picture this: captivating visuals, concise messaging, and an engaging experience that leaves your viewers craving for more. With the K-Media Whiteboard services, stand out your ideas and messages by enlightening illustrations. It's about making a lasting impression and delivering your message with impact. Stunning whiteboard videos that captivate audiences in your community will be artistically and meticulously edited for your projects. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketing professional, or an educator, the K-Media Whiteboard services cater to your unique needs. Tailor-made videos, ensuring they align perfectly with your brand and help you achieve your goals. Imagine the possibilities. Visualize your complex ideas simplified into bite-sized illustrations, easy to understand and share. K-Media Whiteboard videos increase understanding and enhance information retention. You know what they say, a clean slate means endless opportunities. So let us guide you through the process. From concept to delivery, K-Media Whiteboard services ensure a seamless experience, leaving you free to focus on what you do best. But it doesn't stop there. We don't just hand you the final product and bid you farewell. We provide ongoing support, revisioning, and perfecting your whiteboard video until it exceeds your expectations. Remember, together, we'll make your message go the extra mile, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started on your whiteboard journey today.